Can you solve this math problem?
We need to find the remainder of the division of a fourth-degree polynomial by a second-degree polynomial. We apply Horner's method by carefully placing the coefficients in the table. We place the coefficients of the divisor with their signs changed except for the first coefficient. Then we place the coefficients of the dividend and draw a line that separates the terms of the remainder. We proceed to divide the sum of coefficients of each column by the first term of the divisor. We multiply each obtained result by the other coefficients of the divisor and place it in the next column. From the bottom result, we obtain the quotient q of x, which is x squared plus 2x plus 1. We also determine from the table that the remainder r of x is negative 11x plus 1. We carry out the verification using the general formula, where the dividend equals the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. We substitute the polynomials by multiplying the divisor by the quotient and adding our remainder. We expand by multiplying each term step by step to generate this entire long polynomial expression. By simplifying and adding the like terms, we recover exactly the original dividend, d of x. This successfully proves that our remainder, negative 11x plus 1, is completely correct.
Easy, right? Follow for more math hacks.